In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to parse JSON data in Snowflake. Parsing JSON is a critical task when you're dealing with semi-structured data, especially if you need to extract and manipulate that data effectively. Snowflake provides a handy function called Parse JSON, which is perfect for this job. It allows you to convert a JSON formatted string into a variant data type. Now, you might be wondering, why do we use the variant data type? Well, it's quite flexible and enables you to query and manipulate semi-structured data with much more ease. Imagine you have a JSON string that holds some basic information about a person. Let's say it's formatted like this: a name, an age, and a city. In our example, the JSON looks like this: curly braces open, name is John, age is 30, and city is New York, closed by curly braces. Our goal is to take this string and turn it into a data type recognized by Snowflake so that we can easily interact with it within our queries. To accomplish this, we use the select statement in conjunction with the parse JSON function. Begin by typing select, followed by parse JSON, and then in parentheses, you place your JSON string within single quotes. So, your statement will look like this: select parse JSON. Name, John. Age, 30. City, New York. After that, direct the output to an alias, for instance, as parsed JSON. This line of code instructs Snowflake to parse the JSON data and store the resulting variant data type under the alias parsed JSON. When executed, this query returns a variant containing the JSON object, allowing you to interact with it just like any other structured data. You'll see the entire JSON object as output, but now Snowflake recognizes each element within it as structured data. From here, you can run more detailed queries to extract, manipulate, or analyze specific elements within your JSON data, thanks to the flexibility of the variant type. This functionality is incredibly useful when working with complex data structures, enabling you to leverage the power of SQL to dive deeper into your semi-structured data. With Snowflake, querying this data becomes intuitive and efficient, opening up a world of possibilities for your data analysis projects. So, to wrap things up, by using the parse JSON function, you can effortlessly convert JSON-formatted strings into a versatile variant data type, preparing your data for deeper insights and analysis. Give it a try and explore the potential of structured querying with your semi-structured data. Feel free to experiment further with more complex JSON data and see how you can simplify your data workflows in Snowflake. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial clear and useful.